Merry Christmas! Dito! Kasi mag-picture. Ah, okay. Siya mag-picture sa atin. Siya mag-picture. Hindi tayo manginginig nito. Akala ko tatanggalin mo yan. Wait lang, wait lang.
Are you getting in there,
Yeah.
yeah?
Of course, honey.
Are you doing a video? Does she really wear that dress you had in the bedroom?
Huh?
The dress you put on in the bedroom with the zip.
Oh,
Come on then, Chunky. You ready?
Pagtatawanan tayo niya kasi tingnan mo.
Gonna get arrested soon. Oh, am I doing a video? Tell me when you're ready. 1, 2, 3. Right, we're recording. A Filipino Christmas parade. I'm still videoing.
Picture. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh, it's a picture.
No, video.
Honey, make picture. Please make
Oh
picture.
yeah, well, okay, we'll do photo now.
Why?
Do you want photo?
Picture? Ito video. Picture ba?
Hold on, let me do 3 times.
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3. And again. 1, 2, 3. Come a bit close, like this way so you get all this in.
Thank you, Phil.
Hold on. Let's do it like that, and then I can get all the sparkle stuff in.
Yes. Should be, honey. Or else circle.
Done.
Thank you, honey, wait. Yung nakatayo kayong...
Do you want close up?
No.
Do you want me back here?
No, huwag tayo magdingin. Oh, sige.
Oh, what am I doing? Am I doing a photo? Okay. 1, 2, 3. And again, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And there we go.
Thank you. Patingin.
That's all sorted out. Send it to you. Don't need photos.
Oh, is it live? This? Dear God.
Saka nakakita ng ano.
Naka-live yan, oh? Naka-ano?
Oo naman.
Oh, hello. Is he nice?
Oh, di ba?
Hi! Naka-live kami! Hi, live! Huwag mo tagalin. Ganyan lang. Nakikita tayo. Hi, live! Sorry, Ani.
Pasensya na po.
Cute dito.
Pasensya na po. Nag-ano lang. Samantalahin lang yung
Uy, Wendy, panalo ka talaga dito, Wendy.
Bakit naman? Di tayong tatlo.
Itong panalo.
Hindi. At ikaw, naka-skirt.
Tingnan mo.
Naka-dress. Thank you. O, diba? Thank you, Fee. Ako lang, i-ano mo na lang.
You get all the sparkle.
More. We're not finished. Hindi pa. Oh my God. Okay, I'll take this off again. Hindi pa pala. Teka muna.
Ginaw ka na, girl.
Oh my God.
He's gonna Juana.
What do you
Sino
want?
gusto sa gitna?
What do you want? Photos?
Ikaw, gusto ka muna sa
You want
gitna.
photos,
Tapos
yeah?
palit-palit tayo. Okay, sige. Paano ba? Are we in the middle?
Oh, well, yeah.
Okay. Dami mga tao. Okay.
Go on.
Okay?
Yeah.
Ulit. Ikaw naman, Wendy.
I've got some close up and some with all the sparkles.
Alright, good.
Anyway, okay. Right. 1, 2, 3.
distance.
What's the portrait one?
No, not portrait, honey. Just picture. Really, it's cold.
Yeah, I'm doing loads of them. I've got loads of them. I'm just checking. I'm doing the David Bailey. I wasn't going to keep saying 1, 2, 3.
Cameraman. Hi guys. Dami naman. Hi everyone. Hello everyone. Nag-ano lang kami dito. Emoji lang.
You have to get it clean.
Cold.
Yeah,
My God, magsusuot pa kami guys.
I'll clean it.
Got loads of photos there.
Haha. Cold.
Opportunity lang naman.
Now, we have...
Enjoy yung video.
You can picture us.
Enjoy lang po.
Yung pala yung purpose ng 1 hour na yan. Ha?
Welcome.
Supporting us. Very supportive. Sorry, you're the only friend.
Eliza pa yan.
Isa pa lang yan.
Isa pa.
Ang lamig guys. Totoo guys. Ang lamig. Pero nice dito. Kasi galing kami sa Paris. Ako na po.
Coldplay tribute.
Nagaya ka na ako.
Oh, my goodness.
Para tayong mga batang ano.
Lovely evening. Ang ganda naman yun. Very lovely.
Ilan ba naubos mong beer?
Wala pa. Mag-i-start pa lang. Next year.
Guys. Ayan.
Lobat na ako.
Wala lang. Nadaan kami dito. Tingnan niyo. Oh, nice Christmas tree. Real po yan. Real. Hindi yan kagay sa atin na... Yeah. Here's my husband. Come here, honey. Oh,
Hello.
kumusta ka?
Hello guys. Kumusta mo?
Kumusta daw mo? Tama naman yan.
I think this is as good as a
Papasok
Christmas tree.
sa... Ano ba ito?
People
Is this
can
a
take-
ring or what?
It's supposed to be a bauble. A bauble.
Yeah. I see. Ayan, pumasok ako dito. Saan ba yan? Hello everyone. Hello. Ay, talaga. Si Joyce! Ay, nanonood si Joyce.
But you get chilled out.
Joyce! Hi, Joyce! Pabasahin mo. Hi, Joyce!
Tara, dali.
Ayan guys, ang scenery dito. Nakikita nyo na marami silang ilaw.
Oh, sige, sabihin mo. Saan na siya?
Ang aking bahay ngayon, hindi ko pa alam kung may mga ilaw. Ayan oh, Merry Christmas! Tapos doon kami kanina sa very nice view.
Where's good?
I love the scenery. Hi! Nakipag-usap na yung dalawa. May mga hubog, mga lasing. Lasing na yung kinakausap nila. It's a threesome. One married, three ladies, a threesome. She said, Joanna's crazy. Funny. I'm dreaming of a white Christmas. You like white Christmas? Do you? Uy! My God. Touching. Huh? Laman, touch. Ano? Hindi. I don't talk like that, honey. Especially, they're drunk. Hello! Hello everyone! Hello! Joyce. Kumusta, Joyce?
Where's this deja vu anyway?
It's just in front of Rufus. Just in front of Rufus. I'm hungry, honey, promise. You wanna go home? There's no bus.
Bus, you missed the bloody bus.
Yeah, for sure. But it says the more that you get hungry, it's more healthy. Do you agree, guys? The more you get hungry, you are getting healthy. Police, police. Ayan ang police. Ayan ang police, oh. Ayan. Oh. May 3 police. Ayan. Ay.
Wanna see?
Mga police.
You know they're about. People behave themselves.
Yeah.
I don't have an issue with it.
Galing kami sa concert, guys. Tapos, dumaan lang kami dito sa town kasi hahatid kami ng mga... It's funny. They were at the concert this early. That lady. Too many people there, huh? Still. It's nearly midnight. I like the hair of Joanna, that long. Isn't it? Too long.
Who's saying it's too long?
Her hair is very long. I like it. Joanna. Oh my God. Is that tattoo? What?
Yeah.
Oh my God. I thought that's not tattoo.
What do you mean? Why do I have to do it? What the fuck?
Girls! Honey, careful ah. This is Joanna and look at that building, guys. Different color as well. Look at that building. Different lighting. Is that a hotel, Han?
There's a bar. It used to be a bank. It used to be the Midland Bank.
I know, Windy. 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 Hotel yan? At isi? Ha? Bar nga, oo, pero sa taas ba? Nice.
Loads of people down
Dami.
there. They're all
Oo.
drunk.
I know. But you're not scared. Are you scared?
No, just don't like loads.
Don't be scared, I'm here.
Just don't like being around loads of drunk people.
Don't. No reactions, okay? Just seems like you don't see them. That's how you play. Because if you will notice them, it's not nice. Honey, can you hold this one, please? Bar solo. You're not doing that, ine. Nice. Buildings.
We're going into a roof. We're going in there.
Bye, guys. Bye, guys.